Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you how I make this combine and blending. So just first of all, I create a new I create a thumbnail. 1002 like this. I click it. So this is the size 1280 times 720. So just click for the totally new page. Just come to elements and then searching about the house. So previously I just searching the house like this because I set it as a background, and then double click to adjust the position because I want this sky blue and the cloud is white color. I want to use this becoming the blending picture over there. So once I have this picture like this, so I have to do something like this. So when you see why can I have this white color, so the outcome, the point is I use the blur dot, or maybe blur dots. Okay, blur dots. So here they have many kind of the blur dots, so you can use this one, or this one, but I use the one is more huge, if I'm not mistake. I think this one also can, pink color. So you just change or edit to white. But just now I find the one is totally can be replaced becoming the color. So I check one more time. Just now I used the one is a pink color. So pink color, this one is the pink bluish circle blue. Okay, so I just change the color becoming white color, and then I just put maybe over here, then coming here duplicate one more, and then fill up download as a PNG for this page number 3. So this is page number 3, for example. Click and done to download. One more time, you need to upload to your Canva. So the result will be like this. Okay, the result will be like this. So I just put over here. So this is the result. Then I scale up to fully cover this page. Then I adjust a little bit coming here. So now what I want to do is I increase one more picture. Is come to elements, and then I find the one is for family. Okay, family. So here I will put end of the corner, and then like this I make this one drag more, maybe bigger like this. Then I flip it because I see this one maybe flip is more okay for me. Okay, for example, I put over here, and then I adjust a bit this one. Then I right click this family photo, send to the back. Then now totally cannot see the family picture, but don't worry, I just click back to this house, then coming to transparency to reduce. Then what I can see is this family. So now I want to adjust this family picture is behind this one to the position of the I want. I just click it back. This one I fully cover. This one I put over here. Then this, the house, I also put over here. Fully cover. Then I adjust back this transparency until to maybe 80, or it depends for your photo. It's not 100% you must follow my 80% transparency or less than. So now once I have this photo, just coming here to download the picture number 5. However, previous one I already done one more time, but just want to show you the tutorial. So I will click it and then done. Save page number 5. Okay, once I click, they will put it back. Okay, this is picture number 5. Then okay, so now I want more time to upload it. Upload this one. Okay, upload the file. Picture this one. Just now we see the one. Just put over here, and then just right click, set as a background. So now we can see this picture is blending. So what I want to do is, once the picture is completed upload, so we can come to here, edit image, then come to CO, then we can try to adjust this kind of the color like that. So maybe blur, as you can adjust a bit like this. When the blur will reduce -15, it will look more clearly. So maybe I also can adjust a bit. This one is too yellow, so maybe I don't want to remove and adjust anything. This one then can be see more darker surrounding there, and maybe this one also becoming a more color if you want. So maybe I just leave it. Clarify everything, shadows, highlight, shadows, more or less I think doesn't any good things for me. Okay, now I also can apply before final. I apply this one is called gradient transparency. So use number 1. This one is purple color, so I just put over here and make this one big. Okay, until like this, then this one. So here they will show you about red color. You can see the middle one is a red color. One more time you can see it. Okay, red color. So until this level, I happy about this, so I just change the purple color. The color is detected by Canva, so I just use this green color is matching about this photo. Then I can reduce maybe about 20, 30, okay, maybe 28 like that. Then I duplicate one more, then flip it. So I just put over here like this, and then I duplicate one more. Then this time I turn the turn to -90 degree and put over here and scale up to fully cover about this page. It will look like this. And this one I adjust to the position I want. So this is the final result. So let's take a look at this final result, and then I make this one becoming like this. So this is the combine and blending effect for this photo. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.